Hello everyone, Namaskar. My name is Sudarshan. Welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we talk about watches, coffee, and lifestyle products in general. So, as you have seen from the title, today we are going to take a look at the Timex Harborside coast. So, let's quickly unbox. I'll just quickly show you what all things come inside this box. This is a standard Timex box which I have received for previous Timex watches as well. So this is how the main box looks like. It has a Timex branding. So you guys might be wondering why there is only this case inside the box and the straps are separated. I'll come back to this thing later on in the video. Firstly, let me keep this case aside and show you what else came inside the box. I'll keep these things aside for a moment. So this is the cushion on which the watch was kept. This is very soft and very safe for the watch. So this information, or rather the user manual, came inside the box, which really is not required. There was this tag which came with the watch, which has a T-shaped cut and it has Timex written on it. I'll try to show you. Alright, so this is all came inside the box. There's one more thing I just wanted to highlight. On the wrapper, or rather the cap side of the box, this is what is written, which just says show off your new Timex. So this hashtag is for your social media pictures or videos or reels, whatever you are posting. You can tag Timex and use this hashtag for them to notice your pictures. Alright, so let's keep these things aside and switch to the watch. I'll keep the box aside. Alright, so let's talk about the watch. Let me zoom in first so that we can have a close look at this beautiful dial. Alright, here we go. Alright, so let's jump to the specifications first. This is a brass case with 11 mm of thickness, and this is 43 mm lug to lug, that is the diameter of the case. This has a 20 mm of lug width, so any strap with 20 mm will fit to this particular watch. This by default comes with a black color silicone strap or a stainless steel bracelet. Those two are the options. I got the black silicone one because the stainless steel was not available. This is how the strap looks. So it's a nice little strap, very comfortable on the wrist. It has Timex branding on both the ends, like one on this one. I'll try to give you a glimpse of it. That's how the one on the strap looks, and the other one on the buckle, which is like this. Alright, so this is the original strap which came with the watch. I'll keep this aside for a moment. So this watch also comes with 100 meters of water resistance, and it has a date complication which is placed at 3 o'clock. You can see that there's a date window or cyclops. I'll give you a close-up of that as well. The date is very easily viewable, so it's not really a concern. There's a Timex branding on the case back, which also has mentioned the Harborside Coast collection. Alright, so apart from this, this watch also has a bezel inserted. It's a unidirectional bezel which has no function that is generally found in the diver watches, but surely it's very fidgety. Rotation sounds fairly decent, not the best, but definitely sounds cool. I'll try to give you a glimpse of that as well. So as you can see, it sounds really good. It's not the best sound of any bezel action, but definitely it's kind of a cool thing to have on a watch. I'll set it to the normal position. So this has a regular push-pull crown. There are two functions. First pull is for changing the date, and the second pull is for changing the time. As you can see, if I pull it once, and this is how it changes the date. And if I pull it further, it can change the time as well. Alright, so that's all for the specifications of this watch. Let's talk about its looks for a moment. The first glimpse of it feels like, or rather looks very close to the Tudor Black Bay Burgundy variant. The indices, the 12-hour marker on the bezel, it looks very much like the BB. Let me give you a close-up once again so that you can understand what I'm saying. So look at this dial up close now. You can see the 12-hour marker. It also has looks very similar to the Rolex Submariner, which is because of the Mercedes hands and the Cyclops, the date window. So due to the same reason, many of the watch enthusiasts call it homage to these two classic watches, these two classic icons. So now I'll just quickly show you how it looks on a stainless steel bracelet, because that is why I kept this case separated from the straps. I got this stainless steel bracelet from Fulmosa from Amazon. I'll show you how it looks. This is how the bracelet is. It looks very close to the oyster bracelet pattern. It's a stainless steel bracelet from Fulmosa. I'll attach this to the watch and show you how it looks, so that I can also give you how it looks on the wrist actually. This has a quick release pin, so it is very easy to change this strap. I'll quickly do that and give you a glimpse of how it looks on this wrist. Alright, so this is how it looks on the stainless steel strap. Look at that. This is the another reason why I wanted to show you how it looks on a stainless steel strap, that the resemblance of Tudor Black Bay. When this is attached to the rubber strap, it really doesn't show you how close it looks to the Tudor Black Bay, but the stainless steel bracelet variant definitely hits that spot. I'll show you how it looks on my wrist now. Alright, so this is how it looks on my wrist. Look at that, it looks absolutely classy on the stainless steel bracelet. Alright then, this is all about the specifications and overview of this Timex Harborside Coast. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Please do comment down what you think of this watch, or if you have any queries regarding any other watches, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer at my capacity. So thank you very much for watching this video. Time out.